Right, you're welcome. This is the voice of my graphics. So, this tutorial you'll be learning the simplest way to create background. Maybe you want to design a birthday flyer, you want to design a church flyer, you want to design a flyer, you want to design any kind of flyer you want. Maybe you don't want to use the normal Pixellab default background, so you want to create a background. So it's very simple. So you'll be learning how I create this kind of blurry background, and then I will also show you how to edit it so that it will come out very sharp for your designs. Alright, so let's get started. So this is Pixellab default background. Now if you go to the background aspect, you can see that there are two options there. You can either use color or you can either use a gradient. I don't know if you're following. So you can either use color or gradients. If you're following what I'm explaining, just type below I understand. So I don't want to use color because sometimes let's assume you use something like this. You see how his eyes looking. It's so raw, and most times it won't really give you the kind of this thing you want. So I want to do some manipulations here. Now this is what I'm going to do. So let's do something now. Are you seeing this gradient now? I want to use this thing to form something. Okay, I want to use it to form something. So get a shape. Let me show you what you're going to do now. Now this shape, you're going to use a gradient for this shape. So you see now, are you seeing this down part here? If you observe closely, you will see that that one of the boxes highlighted, which is this one. So always look out for the one that's highlighted. So now this one that's highlighted, I'll click on the color picker or the eyedropper tool, whatever you can call it. Now I want to form my design from here. Okay, so I'll pick this darker one, make it even more darker self. Now I'll highlight the second part, and then I'll repeat the process, but I'll make it lighter. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to create an effect that we'll use to work on our background. Now, are you seeing this now? Are you seeing this thing I'm creating now? So, okay. Now, let's choose a shape. I'm going to go with circle shape, okay? I'm going to use a circle shape for this. So this circle shape you're seeing now, mind you, this is not the major thing I want to do. I want to use it to form something. So now I'm going to create something like this again, but this time around it's going to be a shadow. It's going to be blurry. So let's copy it. Go back to edit, and then reduce the opacity to 0. Increase the stroke width. Then go to gradients. Under stroke, don't forget under stroke. Go to gradient and then tap that same color you used. Okay, before then let's reduce the size of this thing first so that there will be no 0 in between it. Okay, haven't you've done that, click on that same color you used and then increase the blur radius. Increase the blur radius. Okay, so are you seeing what it's looking like now? So blurry. It's looking so blurry, right? So now we use that circle to form this shape. So this is to form this blur effect. So what is what we're going to do now? We're going to hide the circle. So let's manipulate now. So you copy. You can decide to use it anyhow you want to use it. Copy. I hope you know you can mix different colors together. Yes, using that gradient. That's why it's called gradient, because That effect is used to mix colors together. So you can do it. You can manipulate this thing anyhow the way you want it. Okay, depend on the kind of effect you're trying to create, or the kind of feel you're trying to create on your design. Depends. So we've just created the background, but I still want to add something quickly to it. Okay, so let me add an effect to this whole thing. Add an effect to it. I'll go to my gallery. Sorry. Element and icon, right? Is it really here? Is it really here? Elements and icon. Elements and icon. Okay, what I'm looking for is not under this part. Let's see, and let's check under this part here, lens flare. So I'll be adding these blurry effects. Now this is what I'm going to do. Don't be scared. I will go under color and go to gradient and use that same gradients I will use. Okay, you can reduce the opacity if you like. Yeah, you can reduce the opacity if you like, if you wish to. And here you want to manipulate it. It's your choice. Okay. Alright, so you are like asking, what can I form with this? What can I even design with such kind of okay, let me show you something. Let's assume I want to create something like a Sunday. Let me get a font for this. Using this kind of fonts, right? Okay. Which color can we use for this? You can use white. You can use something that will not. So let me leave it at white. Right? Increase the size. Then use the opacity. So to look blind. So can duplicate it. Copy. You can also use this thing to form reflection. Okay. Also use to form reflection. So just repeat the effect like that. Let me mesh it together. So stuff like this, you can use it now to work on your church background, or you can use it for a birthday flyer, depending on the creativity you're trying to work on. So let's go and edit this work, save as image. Go to Snapseed. I hope you all know Snapseed. Let's add some effect to this background. So we go to tools, tune image, put increase the shadows, increase the shadow. This is where I do some of my manipulation on the background. Put the saturation a little. I think we don't need much here. Don't need much here. So go to details, structure, sharpening 100. Alright, that's that for. If you want to save your work on Snapseed, click on export down here, then save, or you can click the second option there. Yeah. So if you want me to do a video on how to edit designs on Snapseed using Snapseed, write comments Snapseed. Just write a comment in the comment section Snapseed, and I'll attend to that. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Please, if you're still watching this video up to this time and you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please subscribe to this channel. See you next video.